In regards to color, my fallback, my base designs, I'm always going to divert to Sherwin-Williams, always have. One of the reasons is the color selection.
I know that I can pick up the phone and call up people at Sherwin-Williams, and the specific, unique, out-of-the-box color that a client wants appears on my desk.
The knowledge of the product, how to use it, has definitely been very beneficial. Selecting colors, selecting products, knowing what challenges they're going to run into with certain colors.
Sherwin-Williams has definitely developed their palette beyond expectation these last few years. Everybody's looking for the newest and hottest colors, and Sherwin-Williams is always on trend with the latest and greatest.
And continually coming up with new mixes and new ideas, and that has been incredibly helpful to help us guide our clients as to what to select.
Sherwin has given us the tools to be able to do that, and then also make it a very simple process for the paint shop.